Hello dear students of class 2's English version. How are you? Hope that all of you are very well at home and safe also. Dear students, welcome to our class. On last class, dear students, we complete our what? On multiplications, no? And in my last class, I said to you that today I am going to start my, that is in my next class, I will start my divisions, no? So, let's start the class. Dear students, look at to the board. I have drawn a nice flower, but it's not looks so nice, but no problems. Whatever I can draw, I just draw it, okay? Please omit it if it's not looks so good, okay? Let's see, dear students, at first I am going to explain to you actually what is divisions. That is, division means divide, equally divide, part it, okay? If I will say it easily, it will make part. So let's see. Suppose that you have given over here 12 flowers. How many flowers? 12. And you have been said that is these 12 flower you will distribute in your 3 friends, okay? You will distribute it to your 3 friends. Suppose that over here this is your 1 friend, 2 friend, 3 friend. That is 1, 2, 3 friend. I draw a circle to make understand to you this is your friend, but it's not look a friend. Suppose that this is one plate. That is your friend. Take the plate, okay? And at first what you will do? Suppose that from this 12 flower, you will give this flower over here, this over here, this over here. That is 3 flower you have given. You give, that is you divide, okay? Now, even you have left 9 flower, okay? So, let's divide again. This one keep over here, this 2, this also, that is, then now each friend got 2 flowers, okay? Even we are seeing that over here still now 6 flower left, so we can give more, that is we can divide again, okay? So let's give again 3 flowers, 1, 2, 3 I have given in my each friend's place, okay? Now still we are seeing that still now over here 3 flower we have left. Dear student, after giving each plate 3 flowers, each plate we are seeing that over here each plate has 3 flowers. No, each plate has how many flowers? 3 flowers. So now last 3 flowers we have left. Now let's keep these 3 flowers also. 1, 2, 3. That is I have given over here again. And after giving last 3 flowers, we have no flower left. So, what did we see? We see that each and every plate contains 4 flowers. No, how many flowers? 4 flowers. So, dear students, you have said you have given 12 flowers, distribute it, divide it into your 3 friends. That is, by this way at first giving 1, then more 1, then more 1, and finally then more 1. After giving the last 1, we have no left any flowers. So, dear students, this is called the divide, that is distribute it, give to how many you have and how many total you have and how many you are giving to to how many students or how many plates to how many students you are giving the total quantity, okay? It's called one kind of divisions. You will divide, you will distribute the total quantity to each and every ones. That is, dear students, I hope that what is division? Division means distribute to how many students? Distribute to anyone, that is one student, two students, whatever you have given. Okay, this is called the divisions, that is distribute, give. Total quantity, give, distribute, অর্থাৎ দিয়ে দেওয়া. Okay, so dear students, hope that you make clear the divisions. What is divisions? You make clear. Okay, now we will start our 64, 65. Okay, now we are going to start our 66 pages. Okay, now let's do the 66 page number 1 questions. Let's do. Dear students, before doing page number 66, we have to practice at first the divisions. Okay, short all divisions. I said to you it will be start from 66, but it will be better if we will start from 72 page at first. Okay, at first you have to learn how to do the divisions, that is with the symbol. Okay, let's do on page 72, question number 1, calculate the divisions. Dear student, this is the symbol of the divisions. This is the symbol of the divisions. Maybe we learn it in our class 1, but it was very little bit. So another one things I am going to teach to you. You will note it in your copy, that is over here 4 parts. Dear students, at first let's do the division. 2's times table. You will divisions, actually in divisions you have to use the times table. No, that is 2's times table. Let's do 2 1s are 2. Dear students, I am writing over here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Dear students, this is 2's times table. 2's times table we are saying, and we need 8, that is this is the dividend. And if we will see, we will say the 2's times table, how many times we will go? 4 times. If we will go 4 times, we will get the 8. See, look over here, 2 times 4 equals to 8. So if we will go 4 times of 2, we will get the 8. Okay, dear students, that is 4. The quotient will be 4. 2 4s are 8. Again students, 2 4s are 8. Again 2 4s are 8. Clear? That is this and this. If you will multiply, then you will get this. I am saying this. Just now I will show to you what is the name of this part, what is the name of this part, what is the name of this part, and what will be the name of this part. Okay, dear students, keep in your mind that after divide it will be subtractions. It will be subtractions. 8 minus 8 become 0. Clear? This way you will do the divisions. Now I will show to you the name of the 4 part in your divisions. Okay, let's write. Sorry, I am erasing again. I am erasing this also, as it's make clear and easy to you. That is, here is 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts and 4 parts. This part name, this and this part's name we will learn now in our divisions. This is called the divisor. Mind it, dear students. Please write it in your copy. This is divisor. This is dividend. And this is quotient. And this is the remainder. Clear, dear students? This is called remainder. In your divisions, here is 4 part you are seeing. This is the divisor, this is dividend, this is quotient, and last one is remainder. Clear, dear students? Last one is remainder. So in your divisions here is 4 parts and each parts have the individual name. Okay. So dear students, hope that you may clear. If you will clear this one, don't forget to write the answer. Quotient is your answer. The quotient is 4. Now let's do this one. 3 is the divisor. This is the dividend. Now divide. 3 3s are 9. After divide, you have to subtract. 9 minus 9 equals to 0. Clear, students? Hope that it's made clear to you. Don't forget to write the answer. Answer is 3. Clear? Now, going to erase the board. Let's do the next one. Next one is number 3. You can do 4 also you can do. 5 also you can do like this way. Number 6 also. Now I am doing number 7. If you will make clear this one, hope that number 7 you can do on yourself. It will not make any problem to you, but even I am doing. Okay. That is 64 divided by 8. 8 is the divisor and 64 is the dividend. All time dividend by divisor. Okay. In our division, divide by divisor. Okay. Now it's times to 8 times table. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64. That is 8 eights are 64. Now it's time to subtraction. If you will subtract 64 to 64, it will be 0. And mind it, here is ones and tens place. In this subtractions, all time write the 0 in your ones place. Don't write in your tens place. It's not the perfect proper system. Proper system is after subtracting, if you want tens, 100, 1000, whatever you have, after subtracting, if you will get the 0, all time that 0 you have to write in your ones place. Clear? Thank you. Then write the answer. Answer is 8. Now let's see number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11. Last one, number 12. I am doing for you. Number 12. 63 divided by 7. This one also same like before ones. 63. Now times table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 sixes are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. We got the answer. 7 nines are 63. Subtract, then you will get the 0. So dear students, hope that today you make clear what is divisions. You know, you learn how to divide. Okay. Hope that whatever we have done on divisions on today, everything makes clear to you. So let's do the that all homework. In your number 1, I did only 4 maths for you. Over here 12 maths, left 8 maths is your homework. And don't forget to send your homework pictures in my inbox, waiting for your homework. So up to that time, and in my next class, I am going to start number 2, and then maybe some word problems we will do. Up to that time, wait and stay at home, be well and safe. Thank you so much.